Sandhan. All Gujarat Integrated Classroom.
સેટેલાઇટના માધ્યમથી જોડતી કડી એટલે સંધાન.
Mathematics. In mathematics, today we see graph theory course, syllabus of TYBSc semester 6. Course code number mathematics 310 paper. Type of course today see. My name is Professor Ashok A. Patel from Science College Kadi, North Gujarat. Types of course, there are 3 type of course. Always travel symbol करो, sometime travel symbol करो, and remaining are never travel symbol करो. All these things today we see in later. Graph theory. First we define graph. A graph G consisting a order pair VE. V is a set of vertices, it denoted by V of G. E is a set of edges, it denoted by E of G. Each edge E associate with either order or unordered pair of vertices. Order or unordered pair of vertices. If each edge associate order pair of vertices, then graph is called directed graph. Here this is a figure graph consisting set of 4 vertices X, Y, Z and W, and E. Set E contains 7 edges: E1, E2, E3, E4, E5, E6, E7, etc. This is a graph with 4 vertices and 7 edges. Now, in a graph, self loop or loop is an edge whose end vertices are equal. Also, we define parallel edges. In a parallel edges have the same pair of end vertices. This is a illustration in a graph, parallel edges and self loop. Here, these 2 edges are parallel edges whose end vertices are same, and this edge is a loop or self loop whose end vertices are same. Now we see incident and degree. What is incident? When a vertex Vi is an end vertex of some edge Ej, when a vertex Vi is an end vertex of some edge Ej, then Vi and Ej are incident to each other. Vi is incident to edge Ej and edge Ej is incident to vertex Vi. Now what is degree of a vertex? The degree of a vertex is a number of times the vertex is incident by an edge self loop count twice. here degree of this vertex is 3 and degree of this vertex is also 3 and degree of this vertex is 4 because of two simple edge incident and one self loop incident. Self loop count twice. Self loop count twice plus 1 plus 3, 4. So degree of this vertex is 4. In second graph, degree of all vertices are 3 because 3 edges are incident on each vertex. We see degree of a vertex. Now we define simple graph. A simple graph has no loop, no self loop or parallel edges. First graph is not a simple because it consists parallel edges as well as self loop. So this graph is not a simple graph. While second graph is a simple graph because they neither consisting parallel edges nor consisting self loop. Now we also define adjacent neighbors. Two vertices are adjacent and are neighbors if they are the end points of some edge. Here in this graph we see A and B are adjacent vertices because they are endpoints of same edge, while vertices A and D are not adjacent because they are not end vertices of same edges. Now we also see define finite graph and null graph. Finite graph is a graph whose vertex set and edge set are finite. Null graph is a graph whose edge set is empty. So this graph is a null graph. This graph is a null graph because this graph does not contains any edges. So the graph whose edge set is empty is known as a null graph. Now what is walk and what is trail? Walk is a sequence. Walk is an alternating sequence of vertices and edges starting and ending with vertices. Starting point is vertex and ending point is vertex. Alternating sequence of vertices and edges. Vertices, then edges, then next point is vertices, edges, starting and ending is a vertices point, such that each edge EI is incident to preceding vertices Vi minus 1 and following vertices Vi. Now what is trail? Trail is a walk with no repeated edge. In walk there may be repeated edge, but in trail there will no any edge repeated. Now path. Now UV walk or UV trail has first vertex U and last vertex V. These are its end points. A UV path, a UV trail with no repeated vertex. Here no vertex appear more than once. Now length of a walk. The length of a walk or trail or path or cycle is its number of edges. A walk or trail is closed if its points are the same, end points are same. Now we define path. Path is a sequence of distinct vertices, means no vertices appear more than once, such that two consecutive vertices are adjacent. Here the illustration of path and walk. First illustration is a illustration of a path in a given graph. Vertex A, B, C is also path. A, B, E, D, C, B, C, D is also a path in a defined in a given example. Now second is not a path, but it is a walk. Second is A, B, E, D, C, B, E, D. Here which vertex is repeated? Vertex E is repeated. Here this vertex E and this vertex is repeated, so it is not a path. So it is a simply walk. If we restrict on a walk, then it becomes a path. Cycle is a closed path. So here in the graph A, D, C, B, E, A is a cycle. A, then D, then C, then B, then E, then A. Now what is subgraph? We define subgraph. A subgraph of a graph G is a graph H such that whose vertex set are also a vertex set of graph G and whose edge set are also a edge set of graph G. And moreover, the assignment of endpoints to edges in subgraph H is the same as in graph G. Here the main graph G in first figure and below 3 are H1, H2, H3 are subgraphs of the main graph G. H1, H2 and H3 are subgraphs of G. Now we see connected graph. Connected graph and disconnected graph. Connected graph, there exists at least one path between two vertices. So here previous graph, subgraph, first subgraph is a connected, second subgraph is a connected, third subgraph is not as connected. Why? Here first graph why connected? So first graph contains only two vertices. So there exists a path between every pair of vertices. Second graph. Why second graph is connected? Because second graph is connected, there exists an edge between every pair of vertices. We take A and B. How many pair? A and B, A and E, A and D, B and E, B and E, E and D. So each pair of vertices, there exists a path between every pair of vertices. Between A and B, A and E, so from ABE is a path from A to E. तो subgraph S3 is not a connected graph. Why? So there does not exist any path from vertex A to vertex D. So this graph is not connected. So connected graph consists at least one path between every pair of vertices. A disconnected graph is connected, not connected, then it is a disconnected graph. Now, adjacency. Assume EI is an edge whose endpoints are Vj and Vk. So, now Vj vertex and Vk vertex are adjacency vertices. Incident. Here Vj and Vk are end vertices of an edge Ei. So Vj vertex is incident to edge Ei. Vk vertex is also incident to edge Ei. If Vj is n vertices of an edge Ei, then Vj and Vi are incident to each other. Now, degree of a vertex. The degree of a vertex Vk is the number of edges incident on Vk. It is denoted as a d of Vk. Here, self loop count twice. Now, what is component? Now we define component. A disconnected graph